Right guys, morning. It is 8 minutes until the market opens. We are on Shore Trader Pro. I have just purchased, we have got HJLI, okay? This is I think bio stock, which has recently received quite a lot of volume, and the float is quite low, so that's kind of what we're looking for. The price, my average cost was 480, 484. My realised profit is down at the moment just because the market hasn't opened. As soon as the market opens, because at the moment the market's saying that the price is 446, but you can't actually buy that stock at the moment for 446. You have to pay at 485. So I got 485. That's what my market got purchased at. So we're waiting 7 minutes. The reason I've gone for this stock is I've got it on my stock scanner, so it's gapping up nearly 10%. The float. So the market's about to open in less than a minute. My unrealized profit has gone down, so price. That means the price has gone up. It was, I think, minus 150, but it's gone to minus 117. So. And that's not too bad. I just need to figure out how much profit I want to make on the trade. So as you can see, we are about 5 cents away from my actual average cost. So I made 2 purchases. I'm pretty sure they were about the same price. So the average price is $4.84, and we have just jumped from, so pre-market it was 4.66, and 4.46. No, it was, sorry, that's the wrong figure. Yeah, 4.66. Although actually, no, when we started, yeah, we were here 4.46, and then we had a small gap, and now we're at 4.79. So, like I say, we're nearly at my average cost. So I'm not sure how much profit I'm going to take on this trade. I feel like I should already have had that planned, but $100 to $150, as soon as it gets, realized profit above, out of the negative, and we're into the green, then I can look at selling. I have the order filled here, so 616. That's how many shares. And then I can input the price here, and then I can just, it's on limit already. I mean, I can have it on market, or which will just sell at the market price, or I'll have it on limit, and then I can basically set the price that I want to sell it for. So if I just go on to my calculator, if I have 616 shares, so 616 times, let's say, 5.05. So let's have a look. That would be 3,110, and then minus minus my margin, which is 2,981, which is here. You can see. So that'll be $130 profit, $130. So that would be selling at $5.05. So yeah, guys. So we have jumped up to 4.97. I'm not entirely sure what my profit will be. We've just come down to 4.94. Let's have a look. So 4.95. So I've got, let's have a look, 616 times 4.95 minus 2,981. So that's a $70 profit at the moment. I might sell out at, if I sell 400 at, let's say 4.96, sell. Just see whereabouts we are on the 1 minute candle here. It's going to sell the rest at 4.96. If the orders will get sold. So some of it's been partially accepted. That one has been accepted. So I just want to see what my realized profit is. This is my first ever trade on Shore Trader. So I'm going to take it easy. Like I say, when I started off, I was $150 down as soon as I brought these stocks, so I was a little bit worried at the start, but I'm just going to cancel that. So I think there we go. I think it was just $42 in total. I'm just going to have a look if I can see. The only thing is I would have paid some fees. Yes, there we go. That is $42 or $43 in profit today, but take off about £10 in fees, $30. It's only an hour into trading, so as long as I'm not losing money, I'm okay. Yeah, so guys, in total, I've just added my net profit and my commissions. If I just move that across, you can see there my commissions, put the tickets there. So commissions paid nearly £14. Net profit was $30 basically, or $29. So, but this is my first trade, my first day. I've actually, even actually being able to trade, because I set my account up last week. But the time I actually got everything set up, so like all my trade ideas and all the scanners, because all these are scanners that you have to modify yourself, and there is some ones where you can use, but a lot of them I've had to some of the tools that I've got, so they're scanners, they are customizable, and I've had to basically customize it to how I want to see the stocks and what I want to see, and these are the gappers, so these are ones that are gapping up. So sometimes in the morning, that was one, here we go, perfect example. So this is a gap up, you see, so you can see this huge gap here. So this is where the candles are currently, or previously, and then as soon as the market opened, okay, you saw a huge gap up, which was around 33%. So if you can see this, if you can see the potential of a gap up before, what the plan is, you buy it before the stock market opens, and then as soon as it gaps up and as soon as the stock market opens, you sell here. This is why we got a load of selling action coming here, and you can see the red candles. The volume was quite high on the selling side, and then you got a little bit of an increase here, but not much. And the bears took over, and you could see a sell-off. So it opened out, like I say, 33% up on the day, but then throughout the space of an hour and a half, you've come down 8%. But there's a bit of growth happening now. But normally, when you get a gap up like 30%, like that was, here is another gap. So this was happening in the morning as well. Not as big, but you can see a gap here. And as people saw the gap, it got increased and actually got all the way up to around here. So about 51%, and it looks like it's going off again. I actually had this one written down, but unfortunately I didn't invest into it, just because it didn't fulfill everything on the scanner. But it is what it is. So I'm not gonna do any more trading action now. I've told myself I'm just going to trade for an hour and a half a day. It opened at half 9, and it's now 11. So it's been about an hour and a half. I've only done about an hour's worth of actual trading. The other bits I've just been looking at charts and stuff and just seeing what's going on and recording. But I'm going to leave it for now. Although this stock I was looking at. You can see it going up now, 6.39. I had this stock here, as you can see. If we go on to the 1 hour, you can see a nice increase there. That's about, in the past hour, that's gone up 34%. So that's not too bad. I'm going to leave it for today. I've taken my profit, as you can see, and took my commissions off. But my net profit is $30, but my actual was $43. But the commissions taken off is my net profit. Yeah, so $30, which isn't bad. I mean, it's nothing incredible, maybe £25, but at the end of the day, nearly £23. I've just been sat in my room having a coffee, watching some YouTube videos. If I did that another time, so if I did that twice, it'd be £45, which isn't that bad considering I'm not doing much for it. Do you know what I mean? So if I can average out $80 a day. Let's have a look. $80 a day. That's £60 a day. £60 times 5 is 300. So £300 a week. times that by 4, you know, that's £1,200 a month. That's not bad just for trading, and I'd only be working about an hour and a half each day. So I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna leave it for today. That's gonna be the end. I'm gonna do some pre-market bit of work, bit of homework, checking out my scanners on here, looking at some potential movers for tomorrow. But other than that, I'm just gonna have a bit of a chilled out night, make sure I go to bed quite early, and I'll be up again in the morning. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.